Welcome to Dry Ground Honey. Today we're going to be chucking fondant onto my first nucleus colony. Oh, look at that, we haven't seen that for a while. All the bees are out, got something going on. Good. It's a lovely day today, the middle of January. And get some fondant on, make sure we're still going. Happy days. Welcome back to Dry Ground Honey. It's 2025. The middle of January, the bees are still out. Today we're going to be putting fondant on my first nucleus colony. Now we've taken this colony all the way from a split, we grew it up into a main hive and set it then to overwinter. We fed her up with syrup in the autumn, we let it set to overwinter. Now remember, I took a split out of this, so if you were following along with your colony, you might have a lot more bees in here than what I've got. Let's see, there's still some coming out the front, so that's good. We're going to get this lid off, we're going to get the feeder off, and put some fondant on the cluster, turn the feeder upside down, shut it all back up, leave it alone until the spring. So, alright, let's get on with it. We've got our little veil on, smoker's lit, let's get doing them. This is what we're going to use. This is fondant bee, simple, same stuff as what we used before. Just going to cut a little notch into this. Stick it over the cluster that we can see in there, close them up, happy days. The first thing I'm going to do, because I just don't know how these bees are going to react, I'm going to get my new gloves on. Now these are gloves by Tough Gloves. Tough Gloves Gator Grip. They should, not many stings should go through them. I'm going to try and work as quickly as possible. We don't want to let them get so cold. Right, so we get our knife. Cut an X into the fondant. Fold back the little tabs there. Easy. Just allow the bees get at there. It won't all melt away. Still be in the bag, you know. You'll be able to take it off easy if you have to. The smoker ready. Like I say, I put sugar in here in the autumn, which they haven't really touched. Don't know if that's good or bad, but they're eating it now. I don't know if you can see in there. But there are a lot of dead bees in this feeder. A lot of dead bees. Let's tape off. Proper light down. Give them a bit of smoke. Bit of smoke. Oh, we got some bees in there. Check if the queen is on the top. She's not on the top. Give them a bit of smoke. Just going to take the fondant, place it right over the cluster. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames of bees in there, so I think we're going to be good. What to do with all this sugar? I'll put this sugar over here on my table a minute, because that's gonna fall. I'll turn the feeder over. Smoke these boys in. They're all going to go down there now into the other hole. Now they're pretty calm, you know, I'm not feel frightened by them. Saying I've just, you know, ripped open their house. Get the lid back on. Happy days, jobs are good done. Now we got our my first nucleus. We've got an insurance policy on there, the fondant, that they're going to come through the winter. Now you might not have to do this, you might not want to do it, but it's something that I've done, something I'm going to do to a lot of these nukes now today. But there we are. Hopefully this is helping you, and your colony's coming strong through the winter. Gonna be big and booming in the spring. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.